guys, I'm Steve Woodruff, Woody's Rock Shop and the Fabulous Keokuk Geode site. Got my sidekick, Ivayah Woodruff, here with me. This is my little girl, she's 10. We've got a Fabulous Keokuk Geode site find from the shell. A lot of our geodes that we dig out of the shell, typically in the shell, if they're hollow or in hydros. And what's happened is, you can see there's moisture coming out of this geode. It had apparently frozen over the winter. Must not have had enough overburden on top of it. It's got a pretty big fault line in it, about halfway around it. Ivayah's been wanting to crack one open on her own. We've got several how to crack your own geode videos. So we're gonna have her go ahead and do her first in. And what we did, we've got $40 and $50 chisels and nice brass hammers and stuff. We wanted to do a video with kid tools. She's got a rubber mallet and a screwdriver. Okay.
Okay, so I'd be pointing this way?
Yep. A little harder. Can hear it growing. Harder. Okay, stop. Let's go to the other side. Okay, do it again.
Right here?
Yep.
I'm gonna explain what she's doing.
Right now, she's just trying to make that crack go. And if you've noticed, she's got the screwdriver facing the angle she needs the crack to grow to. A little harder now, it's growing.
So she's finding the end of, right? Finding the end of the crack.
Yep, she's finding the end of that crack. Okay, stop. Okay, then. Your crack kind of ends right here. So can you get that screwdriver in right there? And go straight down this time.
Right here?
Yep. Hit her hard. Okay. Now angle it towards Dad so it can grow this way. Yep. Now hit her hard. Give her a heck. Folks, what she's doing right here is, like I said, she's trying to get that crack to go towards the opposite direction. We're going to stop and change sides, and now we're going to hit it this way. So get it in right there. Too much of an angle. There you go. You're sliding out, baby. Let's go back just a little bit. There you go. Hit it real hard. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. Ivayah's going to barely put her screwdriver in there, tap it down a little bit.
Right here?
Yep. Go ahead and put that in there. Okay, Ivayah, twist your screwdriver. And there she comes open.
Ooh.
Definitely has some leakage in it. Got that nice white coating on the chalcedony coating on the quartz. We got a little calcite right here, but we definitely got some leached in water where that crack froze and let in some mineral, some dirt. Really a unique quartz here. Got a little bit of a chalcedony coating on it, but the way that feathers out makes it kind of makes those lines really pop nice. Makes it kind of sparkle different. I'm gonna run the bathroom, rinse it off really fast, super fast. And like I said, right up in here, she's got a calcite. Looks to me like it's a pink center with the clear calcite over it. And this will rinse off really nice. Right now, she's running to the bathroom to get that one rinsed off, and she'll be right back with it. A nice little calcite, got that little bit of a chalcedony coating on it. This is dug out of shell, it wasn't topsoil. Definitely let a little bit of leached in stuff come into it. So she's got the rinsed off one. She's coming back now. I bet you did a really good job opening that. Yeah, that's really pretty, folks. You wanna hold it for him?
Yeah, my hands are already wet.
Okay. Erica, can you end the video? Or kind of wrap it up? Hi guys, how you doing?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
Good.
Practice some video?
Yeah, I'm sorry. You wanna do one for yourself?
thumbs up.
What do you want to tell them to do?
Please give us likes and thumbs up.
Hit the
Sub-
subscribe button and the notification bell. And follow our page.
Follow our page.
As funny as this is, she does this all the time. When she's playing, she'll pretend a video and she'll be like, make sure you subscribe. But now I guess she's got a little stage fright.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you for opening a geode for us, Ivayah, and showing us how to do it with common tools that kids can use.
Screwdriver and rubber hammer.
Rubber hammer. Awesome. Thank you.